Hey folks, Johnny Allen here from Allen's Plumbing Supply. We are at the Copeland booth and they have some amazing products that we're bringing back to Seymour, Connecticut. Here with me, David. We have some amazing thermostats. Do you want to introduce some of these line up here?
So this is our Sensi product. This is our Sensi Classic. This is our original. We launched this about 10 years ago.
Yep.
Smart thermostat, has all the Wi-Fi capabilities. Still has the buttons. People really like that. It's our best seller. This is from our budget model, entry-level thermostat. It's a great price point for people. And then this is our Touch 2 that we launched 4 or 5 years ago.
Yep.
It's compatible with the room sensors.
Yeah, so this is for those people that are getting those new homes out there on the second floor where they're putting the thermostats in the hallway. This is going to help you out with the temperature settings, because we're going to put sensors in each one of those rooms, and it will take the combined temperature to offset those high and low days. This is a great product that we see tons of people having issues with. We're bringing back to Connecticut. This thermostat right here is phenomenal. It's smart. You do not need the third wire. It's based off of a battery. So this is phenomenal for those older homes and those applications. And this one is probably my favorite because it's got buttons on it, okay? I'm old school. Hey, I don't look like it, but I like the buttons here. We're bringing back this display, and we're also bringing back some amazing universal controls from Copeland. I want to thank you, David, for helping us out and helping our customers.
Absolutely.
All right, we'll see you back in Seymour.